Morning guys, it's actually a Sunday after Cleetus and Cars. We got so much footage, it's going to turn into like a 4-part series. So for this next part, you guys are going to see us getting to Cleetus and Cars, setting up. We did a lot of drag racing. We also raced LS Postal, which was really fun. Then we had some issues to fix before burnouts. It all went pretty well actually. There's a lot of action and we probably have like 6 hours of content, so I'm going to be editing all the way home and splitting it up. So here is part 1 of Cleetus and Cars day 2. It is Cleetus and Cars Indy day and we are actually at the track. Drove Klaus and just kind of threw everything on the trailer and putted that over here since we only had to go right across the track.
The clutch might be okay when it's not on the dyno. Probably not, but
Klaus still doing horrible. We tried doing a baby rip on the street. The clutch is just burning and slipping. So we're probably just gonna make one pass on the track and then try, hopefully we have a good enough clutch for the burnout contest. What do we think we should do? Air up the burnout tires to like 45 PSI to make sure they spin?
Here we got Tuner Don doing his main YouTube job. Side-by-side blog guys and 2JP. Checking that alignment, making sure he's gonna go straight, he's gonna go fast, he's gonna go mad. Take a trip through the crowd, spy out Brandon. Say what up, Brandon.
What up?
Yee.
Alright guys, we are out here. We're just in like the extended YouTuber section I get. All kinds of crazy stuff going on, jet cars. Here's our setup right here. What we got is Narc's cart for Knox Elliptic Customs. You guys got to check them out. Full setup running down here. Klaus, merch booth, hangout booth. Got Britney, and we got the RS. So we got everyone out here. It's not even noon yet, but we're gonna go ahead and get the staging lanes to get ready. Klaus's clutch, like I told you before, is just done for. So we're gonna make it nice, easy, just rip down the track just because don't want to break it before the burnout contest. So I'm gonna go head over there.
Alright guys, we're over here in tech. Might do a walkthrough, see what all is racing today. Looks like we got a Viper up here with a Supra, some Novas, C7 up there. Hey, Mark IV Supra up there. Got old Britney here in the staging lanes. She's doing her thing. Dancing shoes on. Shane's gonna run 8s today.
Wow! Not good at all. The clutch is just smoking down all the way, but my grandparents showed up now and they want to see me run, so we're gonna go back to staging lanes and just do 1-1. That was like a very slow, like 12-second. I just can't get into boost. Sucks. Sorry, we're rushing around everywhere.
second run. Sorry guys, my GoPros died in staging links. We didn't have enough time. LS Postal wanted to run us. He's running like 12, so I was like, so am I. We don't have any clutch, but we'll run against you. It's actually really fun. I think he wheelied and fell down and then ran like a 14, and I just did another 12. It's getting actually a lot worse, and now I'm getting a high idle surge, and just high idle, it's just surging. It's horrible, and the coolant started to get pretty hot, like 230. So we're gonna check head studs right now, see what's going on. Shane, there'll be a whole video on Shane right now. We're not gonna talk about what Britney did.
R.I.P.
R.I.P. Just know Britney's always having breakdowns, and sometimes they're catastrophic, and she shaves her head or causes massive problems. Or who knows, maybe. We're just gonna talk about that in another video. All right guys, so we're gonna pull the manifolds and change the head gaskets. Yes, sorry, rushing. We just had a driver's meeting for a burnout contest. We're supposed to be in the lanes in like a half hour, but we got like an hour, so we're gonna try to build part of the engine in about an hour. Let's see how this goes. See, you're my jack stand Jimmy.
Small hand man.
Small hand man. We're gonna t-shirts made, small hand man. Small hand gang. There we go. No, there's jack stands on there also. Yeah, but you're on the jack side, so yes. Yeah, okay. Jack stands is for extra protection. I mean, it's Harbor Freight jack stands.
So no protection.
There's a recall one.
Last minute checkups.
Try it. Yep. See, dude, that's only at like 40 pounds. It's that. Let me pull this rail. If you get the other side, if you can. That's not the right side. All right, guys. We got everything put back together. We're gonna do a first start and see if it's broken. Klaus is working. It's idling good now. If he overheats, we'll find out. If I only do a 15-second burnout, you'll know it's because he started to overheat, and I am not doing that again. Remember, right here, watch coolant temps. I'm not blowing up this motor. We're not gonna not have send it, we're just gonna not send part of it. Yeah, we're gonna go with that. That's the end of part one. That was pretty fun, really interesting. Britney's kind of hurt a lot. But now I'm gonna end this video off here, and soon, probably in like another 10 hours, we'll be uploading part 2, starting out with Klaus's burnouts and then going into burnout rivals. And you guys gotta see that. We'll see you next time.